staff-on bridge-type double beam profiling machine is compatible with domestic and foreign CAM software, such as ArtCam, and can intelligently import CAD drawings. It can imitate all kinds of special-shaped stones in any shape, with high processing efficiency and high accuracy. Compared with traditional stone profiling machines, no physical objects are needed. The template is formed in one go, eliminating the manual modification process. Equipped with industrial-grade control system for CNC profiling machines. Resume from breakpoint, resume after power off, power outage recovery and speed adjustment. Humanized one-click operation.